Good morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, keeping my life in order, your life, your journey, a lifestyle that fits for you. Y'all, I am up and at it this morning. It is Saturday. I don't know when you guys are going to see this vlog, so, and honestly I don't even know if it's going to be a vlog, but anyway, it is Saturday. About to head out. I need to go to the grocery store because y'all, when I say I had to empty my refrigerator out, not the freezer, but the refrigerator. So I was having issues with my refrigerator cooling, but the freezer was really working really well. Speaking of which, I need to get a appliance light bulb for that freezer. I hope I remember that. But anyway, my refrigerator was just not cooling, and it was like down for about like a week or two. So the technician came out and looked at it, and basically he just said that my coils need to be cleaned. So now it is cooling. I am so happy. So last night what I did was I went on ahead and I cleaned out the refrigerator, just threw everything away because I was just too nervous, you know. So I pretty much threw everything away. So, and I also just cleaned it, and I need to go get some liners. I also need to get some more of those containers that I keep in my refrigerator because some of them have worn out and they're just worn out and I need to replace them. I want to get, I had a 12 count clear egg container, and I think this time I want to find an 18 count. So I hope I can find it. I think I'll be able to find it. But yeah, y'all, so we got a few things that we need to do on today. So once I get through, I'm trying to beat the heat. It is 9:56. It started getting hot about 12 o'clock, no later than 12:30. So your girl is trying to be back. So it's going to be one of them things where I may not vlog every store that I go to because, y'all, I'm telling you, I'm going in here with a mission. I got my list in my phone, and I am ready to go. So I did get some liners that I want to use. I think this pattern is really nice for my refrigerator because I like to put liners in my refrigerator, you know, to help with less mess. And then I did get this shower caddy because I need one really, really bad. So that's all I found so far. So I'm gonna keep on looking. It's 11:19 and it's 85 degrees out here. We got to go back to the house, y'all. We ain't going nowhere else till the sun go down. So guess what? We're gonna go to the house, put these groceries up, and then I'm gonna come out probably later on today because I want to get some more pillows for my bed because my doctor told me that it's better to have some very nice pillows. It's not to sleep flat on your back, okay? Also, you need to have some good support pillows for your neck as well because, you guys, everybody has acid in their body. But if you're dealing with any kind of like acid reflux or high blood pressure or what else? Heart palpitations, or if you're overweight, anything like that, anything that's just out of the norm, you definitely need to make sure that you are sleeping comfortably. So I know one thing for myself, you guys, I am big breasted, okay? I got a lot going on at the top of my body, and I can't sleep on my back. I cannot sleep on my back. I'm telling y'all, I be sleeping on my back, and it's like my heart start racing, y'all. I feel like I'm gagged because of these things right here. I can't sleep on my flat on my back like that. I can't do it. When more you trying to figure out what the heck your neck hurting, you know what, you guys? Fun fact: you might need to get you some more pillows. So keep that in mind as well. I need to go home and do some things anyway. I'm gonna put this food up. I'm gonna wait a little while because I'm sure I'm gonna wait a little while, and then I'm gonna cook this brunch because it's gonna be brunch. I think I'm gonna make some fish grits, some eggs, and some biscuits for him. And for myself, I'm probably gonna have some boiled sausage and some grits and some eggs. So yeah, you guys. All right, y'all, I made it home. I had to sit down for about 30 minutes because that heat was not the lick, okay? So I'm gonna cook us some lunch. So yeah, I gotta take these. So I got 3 of these spinach and bacon salad kits. So I'm gonna see how this tries out. I'm not gonna eat the balsamic vinaigrette packet that's in here. I got 3 of those. I'm gonna end up eating this Hidden Valley light ranch dressing. See how that goes. It has 60 calories in it, so we're gonna see how that is. I got some eggs. I got 2 sweet potatoes. I got some egg noodles. And I was picking up looking for just some kind of flavor for juice. And then when I see, at first I was picking up like the, you know, the regular Powerade with sugar in it. But then when I seen these Powerade Zero Sugars, I was like, oh, okay, this is gonna be pretty good. So I got about 10 of those different flavors. And I was really talking about this hint water. But I like the blackberry kind. The blackberry is good. So I got several blackberries, and I think I got blackberry flavors. And I think I got 2 of the raspberries. I don't know how raspberry is gonna taste, but like I was telling you on the store, the cherry and the watermelon does not taste good. I got 2 cans of sweet peas. That's for a future dinner. Some green beans, some strawberry jelly, Alfredo sauce because we're making chicken Alfredo with the broccoli. I also got just some shredded cheese, some turkey bacon, some turkey sausage, some skinless chicken breast, some ground turkey. I got some I can't say this. I got some lightly salted Pringles. These are really, really good. I got Crystal Waters. I also got a total of 3 of those. The other 2 are downstairs by the front door. I ain't bring them up yet. Got some bananas. I got my corn on the cob. Got to have this, y'all. And I'm trying to try this new Mrs. Dash. And I got 3 of these. I got the everything but salt seasoning blend. And then we got lemon pepper, of course. Got to have that. And I got some garlic pepper along with the onion, the tilapia. We about to cook that. A loaf of bread, some watermelon, and I got the 24 case of Dasani water. So yeah, this is my grocery store haul. All right, y'all. It is about 6 o'clock now. It's like it's about to rain, but then again, it don't. But I still want to go out here and get these pillows, y'all. I'm determined to get these pillows because I want to sleep comfortably tonight. So we're going to go and do that. I still got loads of work to do. Y'all, I haven't really done anything since that last clip. I think I sat here, did a couple of... I've done something, but I have done something. I take that back. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a break from this, and then I'm gonna go to the store, see what else I can find out here in them streets. All right, y'all, I found my pillows, and I did see some garland over here in Big Lots, so I'm probably just gonna end up just getting it from him and not making that stop at the Dollar Tree. But these feel pretty snug. They're kind of soft. They ain't flat as my other ones. I done made it back home, and I just wanted to let you guys see the difference in the fluffy pillows and the flat pillows. So these are the pillows that are currently on my bed. You guys see how flat they are? Like, no kind of support, y'all. There's just two flats, and these are the ones that I bought. So I went ahead and I went with this brand right here. I went and got that, and I also picked up the Nautica, so I'm gonna try the two to see what they feel like, but you can tell the difference. So yeah, I'm happy I went ahead and got these pillows. All right, you guys, I'm calling it night. I got do my nighttime routine, so I'm gonna call it night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all, it is Sunday, and we are headed to Rays on the River.
Welcome to Rays on the River. How are we doing tonight?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Excellent. My name is Justin. Myself and my teammate Jude will be assisting you on tonight. Okay. Have y'all dined with us here before?
No.
Awesome. Welcome in then. Let me just say steak, seafood, and fine wine is our specialty. Wine by the glass on the front page.
Sitting outside Their food was so freaking good. But we just enjoy the scenery. It's really nice. It's a really nice restaurant. I would recommend it. They have outside eating. The indoor is really, really nice. But we really like it. So we just out here just enjoying the scenery. It's really nice. Unless you guys see what we're looking at.